Ooh, okay. So two tutorials back to back. My god, this has been hectic and this is probably the new record. But without wasting much time, this is basically a tutorial video on how to get a custom Instagram background when you share a post to your stories. I've made a brief video about this yesterday actually, in which I've shown like how to do the entire process. But for many Android users, they were facing a problem that they couldn't use the whole process, and so today I'll be showing you exactly how to do this on an Android platform. And if you're an iPhone user, you can go back to the video, click the I somewhere over here, a video will pop up, click on the video, and I have shown in under 5 minutes how you can do the entire process. For today's video, it is specifically about people who are using Android. Now this video has already been done by my friend Shagrik on his Instagram page, so I didn't want to repeat it again, but since you guys requested a lot, here is a video about it. Do go check out his work and his video as well. It was really informative, it was really short and precise. So without wasting much time, let's get on with the tutorial. So the first thing you have to do is go to the Play Store and search for Gbox Keyboard. Now all the links to all the apps that I'm using for this video is down in the description, so you can find the link over there. So just go and download the apps and you'll be good to go. Now the 3 apps that you'll be primarily needing in this whole process are Instagram, Gbox and Pinterest. For this purpose, I'm not using the method of over. For using the app over, it is primarily used for iOS devices because it works the best in iOS devices, but for Android somehow it was not working, so that's the reason I'm making this video. I'll be going through each one of them one by one, so just pay a bit of attention, okay? And if you have any issues, let me know. So the reason I use Pinterest is because Pinterest has a lot of images that I love, like illustrations and all, so I'll just probably go with any one. Okay, let's just search for some illustration work, illustration art, basically anything works. Okay, I'll just probably go with this one, and this looks fine. Click on the 3 dots on the bottom over here and click on download image. Now your image has been downloaded. Okay, is that easy. Okay, so I forgot to tell you one thing about how to actually install Gbox on your phone. So Gbox keyboard is basically a keyboard that allows Android users to copy images directly from the gallery as a sticker on their Instagram post, like on the stories. Once you open Gbox, you'll find the opening page, so just skip it from the bottom part, enable dark mode if you want to. Go down to Gbox keyboard, click over there, allow, next, enable in settings. Now you have to enable Gbox keyboard as your default keyboard, so just click on Gbox keyboard over there. Okay, default input method Gbox keyboard, and that should work. Now you have your image downloaded and you also have your Gbox keyboard installed. So what you have to do is go on Instagram, go on the post that you'd like to share, click on the share button, add to your story. Now once you add to your story, this is the tricky part, so just squeeze in the picture and put it down there like that. It's a bit tricky, but then you'll get the hang of it. Wait, squeeze it right there like that. Now click on the double A on the top and open up your keyboard over there. Click on the images thing on the bottom and select your picture. You see, that's your sticker now. So just adjust your sticker, leave a bit of space on the bottom part when you're doing this, like so, and then drag the image back over there. And that is basically how you do it on an Android device. Like, it's basically that simple. But the only problem you might have is you might have some space leaving over there. So maybe what you can do is squeeze the picture a bit more and bring the picture a bit less. But then chances are you still have some spaces down below. So it's up to you if you want to use the method of over, or if you want to do this particular method. All up to you. But basically that's how you do it on the Android devices. And you can basically add some text right now and move it around, but then again make sure you click on the right objects, because if by mistake you click on the sticker behind, your sticker gets selected and all of your stuff gets hidden in the background. So yeah, just those small things you have to keep in mind while doing this. It's a bit tricky, but then it just improves the overall presentation of your whole story a ton more, and it genuinely surprises people a lot. So that is how you basically do this entire method. I hope I was able to summarize this whole video in a short clip. If you still have any issues or if you're facing any kind of problems whatsoever, feel free to drop a comment down below, or even better, you can message me on Instagram. Over there I'll be glad to help you guys with each and every step if that's what you have to do. That is it for today's video. Hope you guys liked it. If you guys did like it, please leave a like down below. It really helps. And if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe. This is not the usual way I present my stuff. I usually do vlogs and challenge videos and skits. So if you guys are into that, click on the eye somewhere over here. It will bring you a playlist of all the vlogs and all the challenge videos that I have. You can watch those. And with that said, I'll end the video right over here without making it any much longer. Thank you guys for watching it. Thank you guys for showing so much support. We're now 1.15k subscribers, so that is a huge achievement. Yeah. And we also hit 6k on Instagram a while back, so that is there as well. So with that said, it's your boy Shanbiz over and out. See you guys on the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed, and stay happy. Over and out. Bye.
Perfect.